And another one. I sound like DJ Khaled, but another one. Another perfect, beautiful application. Hi besties, and welcome back to another episode of Skilled. My name is Trinity Preston, and I'm a nail educator with MakarttPro. And on today's episode, we're diving straight into monomers. The three monomers we're diving into today is the low odor, the fast set formula, and the fan favorite, which is our scented monomers. And to make this video a little bit more spicy, a little bit more fun, I'm gonna be pairing them today with the new cover powder collection MakarttPro just dropped for you guys, the Rosette Collection. Whether you're a beginner, a pro, or you're just building your nail empire straight from home, I'm gonna explain to you guys how these little bottles of liquid can definitely help you on your nail journey. So enough of the chit chat, let's get into the video. The first monomer we're going to talk about is our fast set formula. This is perfect for someone who lives in a colder region, or you're a nail tech like me and you like to keep your room at a bit of a cooler temperature. Girl, I'm from Southern Louisiana and it stays scorching hot year freaking round, and me and heat, we don't jive. We don't jive, okay? Especially when I'm trying to take 6-7 clients a day. That just puts me in a bad mood. But it's also good for the pros, the girls who have their liquid to bead ratio down and has really good bead control, and the girls who really just want to cut down their service time. This is also the monomer for you. The key role of this monomer is really just to speed up that setting time so we're not sitting here for a year and a day, because we got clients back to back, bestie. The fun part, we're going to swatch 3 of the 8 cover powder acrylics from the Rosette Collection. We have Blossom Bean, Pink Whisper, and one of my faves, Moonlit Sheen. I raved about this on the live the other day because it just gives prom. Y'all gonna see in a second. For the first swatch, we have Blossom Bean, which is a beautiful, beautiful pink acrylic. The next we have Pink Whisper, which is also another beautiful pink. When I tell you MakarttPro doesn't miss, specifically with their colored acrylics that are pink shades, they don't miss. And another thing that I love about this acrylic collection is that it goes with everyone's skin tone. Now for the star of the show, we're bringing her in hot, Moonlit Sheen. And you can clearly see why she gives prom. Y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all agree, because I could not stop saying the word prom. And now for a quick application, I think it's only right we give my girl the spotlight. So we're gonna go in with Moonlit Sheen. And y'all gonna see how nice and buttery this application is. Just look at that purling, beautiful gorge. And when I place her down, she's not going anywhere. She has nowhere to be. She wants to stay with me. And this acrylic and this monomer works so well together. When I tell you it's a system, babe, it's a system. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And just like that, we have a beautiful, perfect application. Now, does fast set formula mean that it's gonna dry up instantly? As you can see right there, I had so much time to lay the perfect beads and get a nice, smooth, buttery application, and it's not drying up. The only thing this does is speed up that setting process once I'm finished laying down that application. For the next monomer, we're gonna talk about our low odor formula. This monomer is perfect for someone who works in small spaces, you're sensitive to smells, or you just have really nagging parents who tell you they're tired of their house smelling like a nail salon. Get it together, bestie. Now, does low odor mean that it doesn't have a smell at all? Absolutely not. It just means that it doesn't have as strong of an EMA smell as other monomers would. So the next 3 acrylics I'm gonna swatch is Sparkling Rose, Pink Fever, and Cherry Mist. Now these 2, Cherry Mist and Sparkling Rose, are my top 2 of the 8. And y'all about to see why. We have Sparkling Rose, and you're gonna see exactly why it's my favorite. Another beautiful, sparkly, glittery acrylic powder. It's elite. It's elite. It's absolutely perfect. Then we have Pink Fever. and Cherry Mist. Y'all want a little pearl moment? Let's wait for it, let's wait for it. Boom, look at that. That is so gorgeous. This pink is to die for. And I have some clients who really like hotter tone pink acrylics. They're gonna eat this one up. They're gonna eat it up. Application, butter. When it comes to MakarttPro's acrylic powders, I have no complaints. When it comes to their monomers, no complaints. And another one. I sound like DJ Khaled, but another one. Another perfect, beautiful application. MakarttPro.com specifically. Bestie, I'm just trying to help you. As you can see, even though it was low odor, the beads still buttery, still pearling, still applying smooth. And that's exactly what you want from an acrylic nail system. And last but certainly not least, we have our strawberry scented monomer. These are the fan favorites because they actually do smell like what they're advertised as. They have strawberry, banana, and grape. I've had the grape before. I'm waiting to get my hands on that banana. Just waiting. And because we're real raw and uncut, y'all gonna see how this bad boy works too. And we're partnering them with the last two covered acrylics from the Rosette Collection. We have Rosy Veil and Sugar Petals. If I'm not mistaken, these are gonna be some soft pinks, but nonetheless, absolutely perfect. First up, we have Sugar Petal. This one is Sugar Petal, and this one is Rosy Veil. Like I said, two beautiful soft colored pinks, absolutely gorgeous. All of these should be a part of your acrylic collection. Run, bestie, MakarttPro.com. And for our application, I'm going in with Sugar Petal with our scented monomer, just to show you that there is no games being played here, bestie. It all works the same. I personally have used those drops that you can add into your monomer to dull that scent down. And I can say from personal experience that that has messed with my formula and the quality of my application. This, on the other hand, just enhances it and doesn't give me that headache at the same time. I prefer to smell the strawberries. And actually, a really funny story, I was using this on one of my clients one time, and I can quite literally see her inching her nose towards her hands, trying to figure out where that smell was coming from. And she finally asked, and I was like, girl, I got scented monomer now. I'm one of the elite. I know. All right, besties, I just gave y'all the real raw and uncut. I've showed you the 3 different monomers by MakarttPro. I showcased all 8 of their acrylic powders from their new Rosette Collection. And if this doesn't tell you how great their products work together, I don't know what will. And I know the question you've been asking yourself this entire video, can these monomers be used with other brands of acrylic? The short answer is yes. The best answer that I could give you, bestie, is that this is a system. Just like any other system, they work best together. If you want the full experience, if you want the full consistency and coverage of each of our colors, then you want to pair this monomer with our cover powder acrylic. So you made it this far, bestie, so comment down below and let me know which cover powder from our new Rosette Collection was your favorite. And if you do happen to have any of our monomers, comment down below which ones and why you like them. And if you have any other video suggestions for me or topics you want me to hit next time, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next episode of Skill. Bye besties!